Dear friends, I greet you both home and abroad, and I welcome you to this marvelous day in Biafra Universal TV channel. And I know that you are there. So God bless you. This very moment, we want to use it to discuss on something reasonable, something very vital. Don't forget, na ndị Igbo si nọọ mmadụ ka eji eje. So which means you cannot do without your fellow human beings. And I must tell you that there are people who are particularly very important to you. Anyway, you are listening to me. There are people that you cannot afford to lose in your life. But you always pray for your relationship with them to continue without end. And what I'm trying to tell you this moment is that we have gotten to the point of saying the truth to each other and one another. The majority of Biafrans, you may believe me or you misbelieve me or disbelieve me, majority of Biafrans are interested to leave Nigeria. There's no two ways about it. I want to inform you this morning that the majority of Biafrans have made up their mind from all walks of life to leave Nigeria. And as I'm talking with you now, I want to inform you that the Biafrans have legal backing from international community. It's not only happening in Biafra land, it's not only happening in Finland. Biafra nation, United States of Biafra, is being discussed in Germany, is being discussed in Ethiopia, United Nations, United States, European Union. As I'm talking with you, African Union are discussing about Biafra referendum. What an awesome event. It is somebody that makes something to happen. It's human being that create history, that makes history. And I want to tell you, sincerely speaking, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic in exile have made history. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu as well. It shall be well with him wherever he is. He will not die young. He will not die quick. He will live long. God will bless him with longevity and prosperity, so that all the sufferings or the sufferness he has gone through, he will live to tell us the stories of how the whole thing happened to him. We are not ready to follow the people who are kicking against Biafra nation. We are not ready to listen to them. We see what they are doing. We hear what they are doing. Hearing is different from listening. But I don't have time to define those two words. So, don't be distracted. So, because when you are listening, you need to be isolated. You need to be quiet. You need to fold your hands. You need to shrink. You have to pay your total attention to it when you are listening. And that's why I said we are hearing, but we are not listening to it. Those who want to destroy Biafra land, those who want to destroy Biafrans, we are not listening to them. We are only listening to those who want to build Biafra and those who want to bring peace and unity to Biafra land. We listen or we pay attention to those who are interested in Biafra restoration. I can quickly tell you that till date, many people are still confused, not understanding any direction at all. And some people will ask you, is it true that this Biafra of a thing will work? You know that some people, what they are doing on the social media is this. Fault founding. They are fault founders. They have judgmental spirit. Some Biafrans, some Igbos, just looking for something to hook themselves and say that you are wrong. But you can never see them anywhere to do anything, and they will never say anything. What they're looking for is for your fault. Then tell me who is created perfectly. Show me a perfect person. I will show you imperfect person. It's only God is complete. So, listen to the whole world today, because Biafra nation cannot be overemphasized. It's just like, you know that water is the life of fish. When you take a living fish out of the water, out of the sea, out of the river, it dies. Are you getting it now? Any living fish you remove from water, you remove from inside the water, dies. So what I'm trying to tell you is what? Biafra is our life. Biafra is part and parcel of us. We are Biafrans. I am a Biafran. What about you? And if I am a Biafran, what am I supposed to do? I have to dress myself as a Biafran. I have to talk like a Biafran. I have to behave like a Biafran. I have to move like a Biafran. I have to take action like a Biafran. So, what about you? Are you there moping, assumption on a zero level? Everything you assume it. Assume if war break out now, where will you run to? Assume if Biafra nation did not succeed, how can you go about it? Why should you put your money there? Let you wait until they succeed in what they're doing. Assuming. So, these are gullibles. People who are sitting on the fence. But I want to tell you, for your information, Biafra is very matured, very intellectual, naturally endowed with wisdom. Biafrans have the certificate of wisdom. For your information, I repeat, no Biafran politician, no Igbo politician that is fighting for any Igbo citizen or any Biafran citizen. For your information, when you see them crying, so which means You are recovering from impoverishment and deadly attacks they orchestrated in Biafra land and Nigeria at large. Whenever you see Tinubu shouting, making noise, you see Igbo politicians making noise against Biafra. Biafra is this, Biafra is that. They are doing this, they are destroying this, destroying that. Let me ask you, is Biafra part of Nigeria? If Biafra is part of Nigeria, how many Biafrans are in good position in Nigeria government? How many times have you recorded that a Biafran is the Inspector General of Police of Nigeria? How many times? Tell me how many times. Even during Onovo own, Onovo, I think he come from Enugu State. It was a battle for Onovo to be confirmed Inspector General of Police of Nigeria. Because why? He is an Igbo man. Every good position, every good political position, security position in Nigeria is not meant for a Biafran. Because all the Biafrans are Christians. They are not Muslims. So, and Christians are not qualified to rule Nigeria. You see, just look at a Peter Obi and his lifestyle and his character and conduct. You will see that he is out of human being. Peter Obi, you are saying. Did Peter Obi supposed to be talking anything about one Nigeria today? One Nigeria crippled him. One Nigeria crippled his hair with a razor. Barb him with a razor. He has no respect. Front and back, left and right and center. Peter Obi have no respect anywhere in Nigeria and in Biafra land. And he's still putting his head because he want to be one-time Nigeria president. So is Peter Obi now, Peter Obi in singular, is Peter Obi now more important than millions of Biafrans who are dying on daily basis by the hands of invaders and Fulani terrorists? Mieti Allah bandits. Is Peter Obi presidency more important than those Biafrans dying miserably? Answer me. Here it comes. Somebody will tell you that the problem of Igbos are Igbos themselves. Peter Obi, you are fighting for one Nigeria and you are sitting down there. Buhari and Tinubu collected your presidential certificate. You didn't do anything. Now you are just running around the northerners so that they can support you because they claim to be majority. You want to be the president of Nigeria. And you have never, for once, asked yourself this question. If we are one Nigeria, why should you, Peter Obi, be treated the way you were treated by Tinubu and Buhari? If not that, you have your own personal interest